Domino's Pizza unveils first brand refresh in over a decade. Domino's Pizza is rolling out its first full brand refresh in 13 years, complete with a debut jingle by Grammy-nominated artist Shaboozey. Domino's gets a makeover and a catchy new tune to match. Inspired by the brand's legacy and reimagined for the modern era, the refresh blends nostalgia with bold contemporary flair. The updated look and feel will soon appear across the US and international markets, spanning TV and digital ads, pizza boxes, uniforms, store decor, and Domino's digital platforms. The pizza chain is redefining its identity with an ear-catching crave mark, a playful Domino's jingle by Shaboozey, and a new Domino's sans font that feels soft and doughy, embodying the brand's warmth, joy, and irresistible pizza appeal. The refresh continues with brighter, oven-hot reds and blues symbolizing freshness, flavor, and heat. Updated visuals across the digital platforms, stores, and uniforms bring new energy, reinforcing Domino's modern, youthful, and crave-worthy personality. Packaging gets a bold makeover. Sleek box designs highlight the iconic logo, while premium pizzas arrive in elegant black and gold wrapping, adding a luxurious touch to Domino's signature indulgence and everyday pizza experience. Why Domino's hit the refresh button? After years of building a tech-forward reputation, with innovations like the Pizza Tracker, Anywhere, and Dom.OS that drove over 65% of sales through digital channels, Domino's is refocusing on pizza. Over the past decade, we became known as a technology company that happens to sell pizza, said Kate Trumbull, Domino's Executive Vice President and Global Chief Marketing Officer, in a press release announcing the brand refresh. But with our Hungry for More strategy, we're bringing the focus back to making and delivering the most delicious products and experience, which is what Domino's customers really want. Rather than launching a more traditional tagline, we're baking craveability right into our name and every aspect of our brand as a reminder of this relentless focus. You literally can't say Domino's without saying, the release noted. Trumbull emphasized that the refresh isn't a reaction to poor performance, but a drive for continuous improvement and a desire to embody the fun of pizza. Most companies rebrand themselves when they're struggling, but after years of category-defying growth, this refresh is about continuing to push to be the best version of ourselves, added Trumbull in the press release. It's vibrant, it's bold, and it's fun. It's pizza! Mindful of rebranding missteps like Cracker Barrel, Domino's tested the new look and sound with extensive consumer research.